Hyaluronic acid is not an unknown product to skincare junkies. In recent years, this acid has been incorporated in many serums and moisturizers. Brands like The Ordinary and the Inkey list have promoted the acid in skincare as holy grail moisturizing agent. But did you know that hyaluronic acid is not only beneficial for skincare, but it is also a game-changing ingredient for hair care? Shocking, right? We bet you didn't know about this.
But don't worry, after watching this video, you will know all about hyaluronic acid and how it works for hair. First, let's know how hyaluronic acid actually works. Hyaluronic acid is a substance that is naturally found in the body. Usually, the acid keeps the skin hydrated and plump. It is a humectant that holds moisture, plus it also draws moisture from the air and holds it. Moreover, it is said to hold 1,000 times its weight in water. Now, for the benefits of your hair. It actually works in the same way as your skin. The acid absorbs its weight in water and adds moisture to the hair follicles. In this way, hyaluronic acid gives the hair a smooth and less frizzy appearance. Just like the skin, hyaluronic acid plumps the hair also. The plumping effect is generally efficient for dry and damaged hair, and it even plumps up the roots of the hairs also. You may think hyaluronic acid is just beneficial to the hair strands, but it actually benefits the scalp as well. The humectant molecules attract and bind moisture to the skin, which further allows the collagen to thrive in the skin and scalp. In this way, the hyaluronic acid keeps the scalp hydrated and avoids the tissue of dry scalp. It's always best to use hyaluronic acid in damp hair, like the Neutrogena Healthy Scalp Hydro Boost with Hyaluronic Acid Shampoo. Use it on your regular hair wash day. Its hyaluronic acid will hydrate and lock the moisture of the hair. The pH balanced shampoo cleanses your hair and maintains the scalp's natural barrier for healthier hair. If you feel your hair is extra dry and damaged and you want luscious hair locks, then you should try 2 pumps of the Inkey List Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Hair Treatment with any of your favorite hair masks. This lightweight serum has hyaluronic acid in it, which hydrates and improves the shine of your hair, and your hair will have all of the extra moisture it needs. Even though hyaluronic acid is widely used in skincare, and is still a new ingredient in hair care, you will be surprised by incorporating the products with hyaluronic acid in your hair care routine. Your dry, damaged hair will hold moisture and look healthier, so don't miss the opportunity to make your hair perfectly beautiful with the help of this ingredient. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends if you find our videos useful. Be sure to subscribe and press the notification bell for more updates in the future.